Hi friends, Namaste and welcome back to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. In today's CSS session, we are going to learn about CSS Media queries. CSS Media queries is made to define different style rules for different media types like for desktops, laptops, tablets and mobile phones such as iPhone and Android phones. Along with this, we can also give style definitions for printing by using the CSS Media queries. For creating a responsive website, we must have to use CSS Media queries. So, CSS Media queries is very important on CSS. But before we start, if you are new to our YouTube channel and still didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that you will get notified whenever we publish our new session videos. Now let's begin our today's session. A media query consists of a media type and can contain one or more expressions, which resolve to either true or false. The syntax for applying media query adds media, not or only, media type, and expressions. And inside this, we will give the CSS definitions. The result of the query is true if the specified media type matches the type of device the document is being displayed on, and all expressions in the media query are true. When a media query is true, the corresponding style set or style rules are applied. Unless we use the not or only operators, the media type is optional and the all type will be implied. And first, let's give some media query CSS properties for 480 pixel or less screen size devices. For this, media, screen, and brackets min dash width 400 pixel, and inside it let's give some body element and let's give the CSS property background color green. Now when our web page is loaded in devices which have less than or equal to 480 pixel screen width, our web page background color changes into green. Similarly, we can define any CSS properties for that size screen devices for making responsive websites. Let's have one simple example. Here we can see that when our screen size is greater than 480 pixel, the menu item div is floated to the left side and the main content div is floated on the right side. But when we resize our web page into smaller screen size, here we can see that the effect of media queries. The menu div and the main div are now extended to cover the full width. Let's check some more examples of media queries. Let's create some responsive navigation menu and apply media queries on them. Here we can see that our navigation menu bar is displayed horizontal when we opened it on bigger screen size, and when we resize it into smaller screen size, our navigation bar is now stacked vertically. Similarly, let's have another one more example. Mostly, media queries are used for making various designs for various screen sizes for better responsive view. So, in this example, we are going to create different columns layout design for different screen sizes. Now, in this template, we can see that when we opened our web page in bigger screen, we got 4-column layout. But when we decrease screen size to lesser or equal to 992 pixels, our column layout is now changed to two-column layout. And again, when we resize it to smaller, that is 600 pixels or lesser screen size, now our each column covers the full width of our screen size. In this way, we can easily give the different styles for different screen sizes devices, which makes our web pages responsive just by using the CSS Media queries. If you want to give more CSS properties for better designs on each individual devices, we can also use different CSS files for each device sizes. For doing this, we will add the following link tag for each screen size CSS files. Along with devices responsive designs with using CSS Media queries, we can also give various CSS styles for our printing media. We can make HTML elements show or hide for printing purpose too. Let's have one example for printing media queries. For defining the CSS properties for printing media, we will use @media space print, and inside it we can define any HTML element CSS properties. Here in our screen we can see that our heading 1, 2 and horizontal line. But in our CSS print media query, I made heading 2 display to none. So when we print our web page, we can see that only heading 1 and horizontal line is ready for printout. The heading 2 is removed for printing media. Thus, by using these various media queries, we can easily give required design layouts, CSS properties for any screen size devices and also for printer. If you have any issues or any problems, you can feel free to contact us through the comment box. I feel happy to assist you to solve your issues. That's all for today. We will come back soon with more interesting videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.